Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Okay, today we are looking at this question. It says that the Greek philosopher Democritus, who lived between 460 and 370 BC, you have to know that BC stands for before Christ. In this year 2025, it implies that Christ came 2025 years ago. But Democritus lived before Christ, actually around close to 400 or 500 years before coming of Christ. And during that time, he proposed the idea that matter or materials are made up of atoms, which in Greeks they call them atomos. And that idea did not gain traction. And years passed without people believing in it until too late, around 1803, when an English scientist, Dalton, proposed the same idea. What idea? That actually materials or matter is made up of atoms. And since then, it is the acceptable belief. So here we are saying that Dalton proposed 5 postulates or claims about the atoms. State them. So that's the first postulate. It says that each element consists of minute or very small particles called atoms. Yeah, so comes the second postulate. It says that all atoms of a given element are identical. So, for example, if it's copper and you take out each atom of copper, you realize that they are all resembling each other or identical. Some of these ideas have been adjusted. As you grow up, you realize that that's not very true, because there is what we call isotopes, but that one will come as you develop in this sense of sciences. So all atoms, that's what he postulated, that all atoms of a given element, they resemble each other. Yeah, that's the third postulate, saying that atoms of different elements have different masses. Yes. When you check on the periodic table, the arrangement is shows that these atoms, as they are placed with different masses. So all atoms, if they are of different elements, they have different masses or weight. So Dalton went further to say that atoms cannot be subdivided, created, or destroyed. That's what he said. Some of these facts can change, but we are putting out what he said. Because about dividing, remember, you can take electrons out of the atom. So in other words, that's like dividing. But that's what he said during the year of 1803. Yeah, there we are. So Dalton went further and says that atoms of different elements can combine in simple whole number ratios to form chemical compounds. We will be looking at this during the formation of compounds, and we see that each atom has a unique combining number called valency, with which it uses to combine with other elements. And with that, I'd like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to share, to like. Yes, we are simply the best. See you then. Bye bye.